So you want to learn how to do a burnout, do you? Come with me. I should say one thing though, make sure you have a open space. It's pretty simple. If you have an automatic, very simple, right? We've probably all done it. It's just kind of getting on the gas and brake at the same time. With a manual, it's a little different. And it depends on the car, like how gripped up it is. But essentially what you're doing is putting in gear, we're on, right? We're gonna basically clutch out like pretty fast and then get on the brake. It really is just like jumping it and then getting into that brake. Probably the trickiest part is, depending if it's a turbo car or the torque of your motor, is like overcoming that torque line with the brake. So you're really kind of focusing on, there is brake modulation and throttle modulation as you're in it. And then another big key is, when you're coming out of it, just come off the brakes, clutch in, slam on the brakes, right? So sometimes it's easy to forget and you kind of come off throttle and just brake, stall at your car, or you don't get over there fast enough and the car goes flying forward. So after you're done, it's just kind of off the brake, clutch in, slam on the brakes. Let's give her a go. So sometimes with grippy cars like this one, it is hard to kind of get that stop point. Sometimes it's good if you turn your wheels and kind of use that as like a wheel chock. And then once they start sliding and heating up, it'll kind of move over and start spinning and you can stand still. But then, as if you saw, when I wanted to come out of it, I'm just letting off the throttle, clutch in, slam on the brakes. It's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple. Let's do a fat fatty for you guys. All right, that's how I do a burnout. Guys, hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in a couple days. Peace.